How to refund Udemy course. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can refund Udemy course. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you could head over to the udemy.com through a browser. So open up your preferred browser, then head over to udemy.com. So here you can request a refund within 30 days of purchase and as long as you meet the refund criteria. So once you're under udemy.com, navigate to this login button, click on login and then log in into your Udemy account. So once you're logged in, head over to the My Learning option from the menu at the top. Once you're there, click on it. Then you have to find the course that you want to refund. Select your course, click on the three dots next to the course title. Once you click on the three dot on your course title, there you will have an option to request a fund. So click on request a fund. Also, you have to choose your refund reason, then click on submit. After that, your refund will be processed back to your original payments within 5 to 10 business days. And if that's not possible, it may go as a Udemy credits. So that's the simple way to refund a Udemy course via the browser. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.